Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to get sound on the Reddit app. Watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Now, Reddit users are sometimes puzzled as to how to use the network. Reddit is unique among the other social media platforms. There are bots that help in keeping Reddit spam-free. Reddit turned off autoplay audio for a better user experience. When we scroll down in the video section on Facebook, the video and sound automatically played. However, only video plays automatically on Reddit. When we watch a video on Reddit, for example, the sound is muted. It's the default setting on Reddit. If the video includes sound, simply press the speaker icon at the bottom of the screen to enable it. If the video still does not have sound, then follow these steps. First, update your app if it's not updated. Then, open the Reddit app. Tap on any video. In the bottom right corner, you will see a sound turn on or off option. But on an NSFW video, you might not see a sound turn on or off option. So to turn on the sound on an NSFW video, what you have to do is don't tap on the post or the video. You will see here written red GIFs. Tap on that. It will take you to a website where you can turn the sound on or off for the video. So this is how you can turn the sound on in the Reddit app. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.